I identify as a car.
DLSU to Naiya? Naiya? Di ba airport yun?
Oo, kaya tayo nakapang-abroad eh.
Grabe, what a way to start 2025. Let's go! Since we're going to the airport right now, of course, we're gonna have to have our airport essentials. So of course, our luggage, sunglasses, cap, neck pillow, of course the airport. Okay ka lang ako.
Bada kayo.
Eh, ikaw, ano dala mo? Guys, honestly, wala akong dala, pero gusto mo nga, parang...
Ano ba naman yan?
We'd like to say thank you to Gatorade na finally bigyan na kami, sponsor na kami. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Gatorade. Actually, they gave us 2 cases. So, ito yung picture ng binigay nila sa amin.
Ito ba tayo na naman? Araw-araw tawa.
Time check, 11:55 right now, and it's a 1 hour 19 minutes walk. 5.7 kilometers. Let's go.
Ano naman yung sidewalk? Kawawa yung bag namin.
Ako'y nakahigas no.
Guys, nasugatan siya. Pero guys, dahil New Year na tayo 2025, mag-new counter tayo guys. New building, counter number 1. New sugat, counter number 2. Okay. University counter 1 guys.
Tumitibok ang
Cute ng aso guys. Sopaw.
puso.
Maawa ako sa bag. Big sponsor.
Bigla ko naalala, nakalimutan ko yung towel ko. Dami-dami mong dala, may malita, tapos nakalimutan mo towel. What if ganito ang hawak namin? Comment down below kung mas nakakasave ng energy to. Luggage counters guys. Paano tayo tatawid? Tama na tayo guys.
Finally found a crosswalk. Magdo muna.
Pero go to the front one. Thank you. We don't speak English.
We don't speak Tagalog.
Naliligaw.
50k likes, magsusoga vlog kami.
Guys, medyo napagod kami dun. Gatorade drink number 1 na naman. Yung nga pala ulit kay Gatorade for sponsoring this video. Cheers. Let's go back.
Sa iyong
Guys, what if ganito yung hawak to save more energy?
Kanina ka pa iba-iba ng hawak.
Kaming dalawa normal lang paghawak namin.
Hindi ko kaya
Guys, ang init.
Sa mainit.
Init tara. Sana all my kids.
mahal
New painting counter.
iba.
Grabe, basang-basa na si Boy.
Di ba kitang isa?
Sidewalk rating guys.
0.
Negative 1. So 36, 49 minutes left, 3.5 kilometers. Let's go.